Thailand has become one of the world's most popular places for dental treatment, thanks to the availability of the latest technology, great value for money, and the added appeal of a holiday in an unforgettable destination. When it comes to the pursuit of beautiful teeth, Bangkok's VIMUT Hospital is one of the newest and most highly regarded medical facilities in the city heart, and it's attracting patients from around the world. Heading up the team here is Dr. Punyawi. He showed me firsthand the latest in 3D digital teeth mapping, which is often the first step in any consultation.
Dr. Ek, no one really likes going to the dentist, including me, but do you make it a little bit easier and friendlier for people here?
Yes. Actually, in Thailand, it's popular about the medical tourism around the world, and also the dental treatment is the very popular also.
Yes.
Many patients, foreign patients, come to see us for a dental implant, dental restoration, also the teeth straightening by Invisalign or clear aligner. We have a high technology here, the latest equipment, and also the high standard treatment here, and also the reasonable and affordable price.
Yeah.
Among the extensive range of services on offer here, one of the most sought-after treatments is the revolutionary Invisalign system. Offering an alternative to the traditional metal braces, Invisalign is a clear aligner that's made from smart track material. That means they are easy to put on or take off. They are custom made from 3D printing technology to an exact fit, are super convenient and barely visible.
With the Invisalign, we have a lot of benefits over the traditional metal braces, like no irritation also from the metal wire. You can eat what you want, you can clean your teeth easier, and the treatment will finish earlier.
One of the other key services is for dental implants. Patients head here from Australia, USA, Europe and elsewhere to not only get access to fast treatment, but to also spend far less than they would at home.
The dental implant, we use a 3D X-ray and the computer software for planning every implant. And we also use the top brand implant that popular or well-known and also the most trusted brand in the world. So you don't worry to do an implant in Thailand, especially here.
I understand with the 3D planning, you can get really an exact implant as well that's very comfortable.
Yeah, so you will have, the patient will get the more accuracy implant, the safety surgery, and everything will be perfect if you carefully planned by the digital.